All stop motion doing. Yes, actually, yes. And we put your movie on internet, and after a movie we'll be making the movie, special edition, so you can show all your friends everything what you did step by step. Okay? Click again.
Play button.
Click again.
Yay, I did something.
See? It's easy, right?
He is alive now.